Life needs energy. You need energy to read these words. Trees need energy to grow. Even tiny bacteria need energy to survive. Where does this energy come from? For most living things, the answer lies in a tiny but mighty powerhouse inside our cells called the mitochondria, the battery of life. Inside the mitochondria, a fascinating process unfolds, the electron transport chain. Think of it as a cellular relay race, where electrons are passed from one molecule to another, releasing energy along the way. This energy is used to create a molecule called ATP, the primary energy currency of cells. Imagine a line of runners, each waiting to receive a baton. In the electron transport chain, electrons are the batons, and molecules called NADH and FAD2 are the initial runners. They carry electrons loaded with energy to the starting line of the electron transport chain, located within the inner membrane of the mitochondria. As these electrons are passed from one molecule to the next, like a well-coordinated relay race, energy is released at each step. This released energy is not wasted. The electron transport chain involves a series of protein complexes embedded within the inner mitochondrial membrane. These complexes act like the runners in our relay race. Each complex receives electrons and passes them on to the next, releasing a small amount of energy with each handover. This energy is used to pump protons, like tiny hydrogen ions, across the mitochondrial membrane, creating a proton gradient. This proton gradient is like damming up water, creating potential energy. The final complex in the chain, ATP synthase, acts like a turbine. As protons flow back across the membrane through ATP synthase, it spins, using the energy to generate ATP. This ATP is then released into the cell, ready to power all sorts of vital functions, from muscle contraction to nerve impulse transmission. The electron transport chain is a remarkable example of nature's elegance and efficiency. By harnessing the power of electron transfer, our cells can continuously generate the energy they need to keep us alive and functioning. From the smallest bacterium to the largest whale, the electron transport chain is a fundamental process that underpins all life as we know it.